Hello Pentesters, this is Puneet from Rapid Safeguard back again with another video, and in this video we are going to talk about latest cve-2021-43798. This CV is regarding Grafana unauthenticated file read vulnerability. Before we dive into the vulnerability, let's understand what is Grafana. So Grafana is a cross-platform open source data visualization network application platform. After the user configure the connected data sources, Grafana can display data charts and warnings in the web browser. So basically, Grafana is open source analytics and monitoring solution for every database. Now let's move on to the vulnerability. So Grafana has unauthorized arbitrary file reading vulnerability. Attacker can use this vulnerability to read arbitrary files on host without authentication. So let's move on to the demo part so you will get the better understanding. So I have installed Grafana on my local machine and I'm using the default credentials to show you how we can see the plugins names. So one interesting CV recently I have seen that CV 2021-38759, the Raspberry Pi has default credential is used. This is the CV, that's it. And don't know that is the reason, what is the reason behind that to given this CV number. So let's moving forward. You can call the API slash plugins that will display one JSON file, and this file you can see the default plugins names. So as you can see the these plugin names, different plugins names are there. Give the embedded is equals to 0, and here you can see the alert list is there, and different plugins and description as well. So second plugin name is this. No, it's a info about that plugin only. So this is the bar chart plugin name. Okay, so this is the third plugin. So these are the 40 plugins, the default 40 plugins you can see, and I have already update in GitHub repo about this exploit and default plugin names. You can check out github.com/Vulnmachines. I will provide the link in description box as well. So this is the all about the plugins you can identify. So let's log out, and now moving forward to our attack. So just open this my GitHub repo, Grafana unauthenticated file read cve-2021-43798, and this is the default plugin names. So if you are authenticated to Grafana, then you can see the API default plugin names. Otherwise, you can directly blindly just give the payload. So capture this request first. So I have log out and just giving the refresh and capture this request, send to the repeater, and I'm just taking the random OpenDBTS plugin name and just paste over here, just remove. So OpenTSDB plugin name I'm using, and click on go. So as you can see that we can able to read the arbitrary file. So this is all about this attack, and I have used this payload. So 40 payloads, 40 plugins payloads are there in my GitHub repo. You can check out over there as well. Now let's talk about mitigation steps. So first step is set access policy and whitelist access through the security devices such as firewall. Secondly, if not necessary, prohibit the public network access to the system. And thirdly, update the Grafana. All installation between the version 8.0 and 8.3 should be upgraded as soon as possible. So if you cannot upgrade, set the reverse proxy in front of the Grafana, then it will be mitigate this vulnerability. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like,
एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए
then share with your infosec friends. Subscribe our channel. Join our Telegram channel. Link is in description box. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video.